Hello and welcome to today's video. If you're in the market for new brakes, you've come to the right place. We've scoured Amazon to bring you the top 5 brake kits that offer the best combination of performance and affordability. Number 5 on our list is the PowerStop Z36 Truck and Tow Brake Kit. This kit is specifically designed for heavy-duty vehicles that tow and haul heavy loads. The high-temperature durability and increased stopping power make it perfect for these types of vehicles. Coming in at number 4 is the Bosch 0204120010 QuietCast Premium Disc Brake Kit. Bosch is a well-known brand in the automotive industry, and this kit is no exception. It provides excellent braking performance and is quiet and vibration-free. Plus, the kit includes everything you need for a complete brake job. At number 3, we have the Centric Parts 120.40065 Premium Disc Brake Kit. This kit is designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications and provides reliable stopping power for your vehicle. It also comes with a limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. Our runner-up for the best brake kit on Amazon is the Bendix Ultima brake kit. This kit features high-performance ceramic brake pads and cross-drilled and slotted rotors for improved stopping power and reduced brake fade. Plus, the kit is designed for easy installation and comes with all the necessary hardware. And finally, the top brake kit on Amazon is the EBC Brakes USR 7162 USR Series Sport Slotted Rotor. This kit features a slotted rotor design that helps to improve braking performance and reduce brake fade. The high-quality construction and affordable price make it a great choice for any driver looking to upgrade their brakes. And there you have it, the top 5 brake kits on Amazon. No matter which kit you choose, you can be sure you're getting a great product that will improve your vehicle's stopping power. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.